What is motion design? Well, there really isn't a definition that everyone agrees on, but the basic idea is this: animation driven by design. I can see you're confused. Let me try this a different way. Motion design is the combination of graphic design, illustration, storytelling, filmmaking, and animation, all wrapped up in one of the coolest, most open creative industries on the planet. Sounds pretty good when I put it like that, right? So now you might be wondering, what do professional motion designers do? What sort of careers are out there in this field? How can I learn to be a motion designer? How do I even know if I like doing motion design? So to answer all of these questions, we have put together this course to introduce you to the world of professional motion design, and we call it The Path to Mograph. If you're curious about what it looks like to have a career in motion design and to use technical and creative skills to make cool stuff, register for this course. We'll show you the ropes. We'll take you on a tour of some great studios to see what motion design looks like in the real world. And we'll give you a broad overview of the skills and software you'll need to learn to create compelling work. We'll introduce you to the incredible motion design community, and you'll find out everything you need to know about starting out in this field. So from all of us at School of Motion, welcome to the motion design community, and we hope you enjoy the path to Mograph.